Day 102. It is 36 degrees outside at 4:51. And yes, we're wearing gloves. There, try to do another 8 miler, but this weather is just doesn't sound fun out there. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys when I get back. Alright, y'all. So I'm back. Same 8 miles. Then an hour and 11 minutes and 48 seconds. That was a tough run because one, it's very cold outside. It's like 36 degrees. At many points, I was running against the wind, and the wind was pushing me back. So that definitely added to my time. It was definitely slowed me down significantly. Yeah, my face is like numb right now. It was a tough run. So hopefully it's a lot warmer tomorrow, but that was a really tough run, like wind hitting my face, dirt hitting my eyes, at some points not really being able to see the road properly. So it was a tough run, but I was glad I was able to get out there and get it done. Anyway, I'm gonna head in, get ready. I will see you guys a little bit later. Yo, it is so cold outside today. Looking at my car, you see that? It says low outside temperature. So, I did the 8 miles as you saw earlier, but I wasn't going to do any more than that. Like, that run alone was kind of exhausted, so no weighted workouts today, no other resistance workouts today, so that's it for me. For breakfast though, I'm gonna tell you, like I had the pancakes, 3 pancakes with the syrup, right? So that's maybe around 350 to 400 calories. And then I had the shake, the protein shake. So that's what it's going to be for me today for breakfast. And then I had some of those chocolate nibs, the carob nibs, the spirulina. That's kind of been helpful with like energy, and might be helpful with like weight loss as well, because the spirulina is green, and I have been seeing quite a bit of a spike in the weight loss. So also for lunch later on, I'm gonna have some of these veggie burgers from Aldi, with the same buns from the day before. So that's what I'm gonna have. That's not gonna be too much either. I believe that should be about maybe 600 calories. And again, we're down, right? We're now down to 160.8 pounds. So that means we're actually 4 pounds off the goal. And today is Wednesday, so we might be at our goal by Friday. Might be by Friday, so we'll see. If not Monday or Tuesday the latest. But as I said, we're not trying to have this going any further. So that's it for day 102, I believe it is. I will catch you guys tomorrow for day 103. You guys have a good one. Peace.